Ads are everywhere. You see them at every turn, on your phone, on TV, in the middle of your favourite podcast. But have you ever stopped to wonder why certain ads stay with you? Why some products feel impossible to ignore? Here's the truth. You're not just a casual observer. You, me, everyone, we're being manipulated every single day. In a world saturated with ads, how do brands stand out? How do they make you buy? It's not an accident, it's a science that the best advertisers in the world have mastered using psychological tricks that play on your deepest emotions. Let's look at how they do it and how you can learn from them to sell more.
Your gayest self. So choose a gay adventure. Choose Escapade toilet water. Immediately you feel lovely. Why, you are lovely in that light and gay Escapade mood. And remember your Escapade stick cologne to renew adventure wherever you are. Enjoy all these Schulten fragrances. At leading cosmetic counters everywhere. Toilet waters, $1.25 and $1.50. Stick colognes, $1.
In the past, it was all about the product, a description of the scent, its features, and a price tag. But over time, advertisers learned that a feeling of exclusivity sells. Instead of just showing a product, they started showing a lifestyle. By the 1980s, advertisers had evolved. Perfume ads didn't just sell a scent, they sold desire, sex appeal. The idea that wearing this fragrance would make you more alluring, more confident.
Break free and feel. Feel how splendid you are with the fragrance created by Gloria Vanderbilt. Vanderbilt, a rich, expressive fragrance that reveals to the world just how splendid you are. Vanderbilt, let it release the splendor of you, Vanderbilt.
And today, that evolution continues. Colours, music, all of it carefully chosen to make you feel something before you even know what the product is. With a few bold images, Carolina Herrera doesn't just show perfume. She shows power, allure, and the feeling of being untouchable. It's no longer about the product. It's about who you can become when you wear it. In a world drowning in ads, brands have perfected these tactics to make sure they stand out. And guess what? They're working. Next time you see an ad, ask yourself, is it the product you want or the feeling it's selling you? Because in the end, the most powerful ads don't just sell. They remove any sense of choice, where you, the viewer, see the thing they're selling as the only thing you could possibly want. Learn the tricks, use the tactics, sell more.